Alright, it's been a month since I've been home, and do some cold start videos and check her stuff. So here we go. See if this old girl will fire up. Pretty sure my batteries are gonna be toast. Okay, we are 24 volts, but I purposely unhooked this because if this dies, once it gets power, it automatically turns on, so my batteries would have drained. So let's go ahead and get that connected. Well, we got light. Table's pretty frozen. Yeah, just gonna go ahead and put a little bit of heat in here, not too much. Just enough to start warming some stuff up since it's been sitting for so long. Oh, floor's really cold because none of the snow's melted yet. It's like 15 degrees here. The old Dodge will start every time. Alright, got those cleaned off. Batteries look good.